My name is Sanjana and I'm an 11th grader at Briarwoods High School, and this is MedHub. MedHub was created to make healthcare more personal, connected, and stress-free. Its purpose is to help patients stay on top of their medications, track their health, and communicate with their caretakers, all in one secure place. MedHub is built for patients managing chronic conditions, family members helping with daily care, and caretakers who need quick, shared access to important health information. I built MedHub using JavaScript within the React Native framework. I use React Navigation for smooth screen transitions, and Expo Go, which allowed me to write one code base and instantly test it on both iPhone and Android devices. The entire backend is powered by Google Firebase and Firestore, and I integrated the Gemini API to provide an AI chatbot. Now I'll be walking you through the app's functionality. When you open the app, you're prompted with a login screen, built in React Native. You can log in with your email and password or create a new account. When creating an account, Firebase Authentication securely sets up your profile and generates a unique user ID that links all your data across the app. After logging in, you land on the Care Group screen. First, the caretaker taps a plus button to create a group. They enter a group name, select their role as a supporter or patient, and tap Generate to create a 6-character join code. Now, a group is successfully created and ready for others to join. When a patient joins a group, they enter the group's generated code and select their role as supporter or patient. If the code is invalid, the app shows an error and prevents joining. Caretakers are also able to be in multiple groups. When you open a group, you see the Emergency tab. You can view all of the patient's details. At the top right, you can see group members and call them directly. The patient's personal medical information, emergency contacts with names and phone numbers, and the primary physician's name and phone number are all listed, along with critical details such as allergies and medical conditions. Next is the task page. From the patient's view, the task page has 2 sections, a to-do list for upcoming tasks and a completed list for finished ones. To create a new task, they tap the plus button, enter a title, an optional description, and set a due date. They can assign the task to either anyone in the group or to a specific family member. This makes it easy for both the patient and their supporters to stay on top of daily responsibilities together. From the caretaker's view, they can see all tasks on the task page, including who each task is assigned to. They can update the due date or time, mark tasks as complete, and manage responsibilities based on who was assigned. This helps caretakers keep the group organized and ensure nothing is missed. On the med screen, patients see each medication with its name, dosage, frequency, and notes. They can add a new medication, log doses, and view the history of all past doses. Caretakers can view all medications for the patient and edit details if needed. The app sends reminders when it's time to take a medication, and if a dose isn't logged, it sends an overdue notification. The chat page includes an AI chatbot that users can talk to for quick medical guidance or details about the patient. I built it using a basic retrieval augmented generation system, meaning the chatbot doesn't rely on general medical knowledge, it pulls information from the patient's stored data like medications and tasks. This makes it much more accurate and personalized to each patient.